Rosemary tea. Reduce anxiety and depression. What is rosemary? Rosemary is a traditional Ayurvedic medicine with a unique flavor and aroma. It comes from the mint family and has been part of medicinal properties for centuries. Rosemary is a good source of iron, calcium, and vitamin B6. Typically, used as a whole dried herb or powdered extract, while tea is prepared from fresh or dried leaves. Rosemary tea. Rosemary as a traditional herb could be used to boost prospective and retrospective memory, reduce anxiety and depression, and improve sleep quality. Rosemary alleviate muscle pain, improve memory, bolster the immune system and promote good health. Other health benefits of rosemary tea. Contains antioxidants, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects that can help you fight infections. Rosemary tea contains properties that help manage blood sugar levels. Rosemary tea may also protect your brain health from aging and neurodegenerative diseases. Slows down the progression and severity of age-related eye diseases such as macular degeneration. Promotes a healthy balance of the gut and reduces inflammation, which may help with digestion. Rosemary extract may also reduce the risk of heart disease. Here's how to prepare this tea. Begin with boiling 2 cups of water in a cup. Now, take 3 teaspoons of rosemary and steep it in the water for about 5 minutes. Avoid doing it longer as it might make it bitter. Combine rosemary tea with. You can add some honey to make it sweet. Honey is always a good option as it contains compounds like antioxidant flavonoids that help reduce anxiety. Follow and like for more.